Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes with TaxSlayer. First, ensure you have all your essential tax documents ready, such as your W-2s and any 1099 forms. Next, you'll need to create a new TaxSlayer account or simply log in if you're a returning user. Then, select the TaxSlayer product that best suits your individual tax situation, whether it's for simple or complex returns. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth filing experience. Once logged in, you'll begin by accurately entering your personal details and any dependent information. This includes names, social security numbers, and addresses. Then, proceed to input all your income information from your W-2, 1099, and other relevant documents. Don't forget to carefully report any deductions or credits you qualify for, as these can significantly reduce your tax liability. Double-check everything for accuracy. After entering all your federal information, take your time to thoroughly review your entire return for any potential errors or omissions. TaxSlayer provides helpful tools to catch common mistakes. If you need to file a state tax return, TaxSlayer will seamlessly guide you through that process, often pre-filling much of the information. Always ensure consistency between your federal and state filings. Finally, select how you'd like to receive your tax refund, whether by direct deposit or check. Once you're confident everything is correct, electronically sign and submit both your federal and state tax returns. You'll receive confirmation once they've been accepted. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Filing your taxes with TaxSlayer makes the entire process straightforward and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.